What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that performs logical operations on data automatically and display the result. Computer. Computer is used to type documents, send emails and browse the internet. It is also used to handle spreadsheets, accounting, database, presentation, games and many more. Components of a computer are input unit, output unit, memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. Input unit. Input unit means the device of the input and a part of computer hardware which is used for the transport of the data processing system. These components help users enter data and commands into a computer system. Example: mouse, camera and keyboard. Output unit. Output is the device which deals with transmitting the data of the computer among the device and the clients. The computer is designed for humans in the form of audio and video format. Example: monitors, printers, microphones and headphones. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is the core of any computer devices. It has three major components of the computers, which are control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit. Control unit. Control unit is a component of a computer's CPU that directs the operation of the processor. Control unit collects the data entered using the input unit, leads it for processing, and once that is done, receives the output and presents it to the user. Arithmetic and logical unit. An arithmetic logic unit is a digital circuit used to perform arithmetic and logic operations. Arithmetic and logical operations are arithmetic operations, logical operations, and comparison operations. Memory unit. Memory unit is also known as storage unit. Memory unit is an essential feature of all computer systems. The computer memory can store information, that is data, and instruction, that is computer program. Two major components in a computer are input device and output device. Input device. Input device collects data from the sources outside of the machine and put it in the computer. There are four major types of input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera. Output devices. Output devices is a part of computer hardware equipment. It carries the result of various operations performed by the user. The output will be displayed on the computer monitor. There are two types of output devices: monitor and printer. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.